gun, the water gun, right? And here they are playing kite. So can you tell me, is it daytime or nighttime?
Daytime.
Yes, daytime. They can play outside. Yes, the sun shines in the morning. And the sun sets. At night, what did you do?
I sleep.
You sleep. Very good. At night time, all of us need to sleep. So the night time appears because the sun set already in the afternoon, right? In the evening. Yeah, it comes again in the morning. The sun will